Hi, today we're going to be talking about the Callout bars module. This is located under the website tab right here, labeled Callout bars. Let's click on this to open up the module. From here, we're going to be able to see all of the different items within the Callout bars module. As you can see, we have 4 different items in here. We can see that 2 of these items are labeled Home for the category, and 2 of these items are labeled Footer as the category. Let's go ahead and edit the first one here, labeled Join the Y Today. This is going to be the screen where you can actually edit the content of this callout bar. Before we get into this, let's take a look at the callout bars on the live site so we can see what we're working with. Here's the home page of the site, and if we scroll down, we have a callout bar right here labeled Join the Y Today. Now if we scroll down a little bit, we also have another callout bar right here in the footer. One thing to keep in mind is that this callout bar is in the footer and is going to be run of site. That means this callout bar is going to be on every single page of your website. So if we go to the staff page, we can see this callout bar right here. And if we go back to the home page, we see that callout bar along with the home page callout bar. This callout bar is only going to be located on the home page, whereas the other one's going to be on every single page. Alright, so inside of this then, we have this name title section. That's going to be the actual name and title of the callout bar that you're editing. So this is going to be where that text shows up. The category is going to be what controls the location of this callout bar. So this is currently set up to be on the home page, as we talked about, the home page callout bars, but you can also set this to be the footer. So if you choose this option, this callout bar is then going to show up in the footer. We'll leave this set to home for now. The text and blurb is going to be this little bit of text right off to the right hand side of the title. So you can edit that text to be whatever you'd like. The button text is going to be whatever you want the button to say. So right now this says Join Today, but you can change that to be something else. Also, the button and Learn More URL, you can make this have a link so that way it's driving your traffic to a certain spot. So you could use this for a call to action. So you could, if you have a special campaign going on with a special page that you're trying to drive traffic to, this would be a great opportunity to insert a link and drive traffic to a certain destination. So if we click Insert Link, we can then navigate using the link wizard to whatever page we want to link to. Okay. This check to display e-news sign up form in callout, I'm going to cover this here in a minute, so I'm going to skip over this for now. Okay. The callout bar publish and expiration date, you're going to be seeing this feature in a lot of the other parts of the site, such as homepage sections and slideshow. This is going to be something that you can use to auto-publish and auto-expire these callout bars. So for example, if you want this callout bars to turn on in a week from today, you could set this for the 14th, and we could say 10 a.m. And then we would say, okay, we want to make this hidden for now because we don't want it live yet. We want this to be live on the 14th. Then when the 14th rolls around at 10 a.m., this would then change to visible on site. And then same thing in the reverse for the expiration date. If we say 10 a.m. on the 21st, this visible on site status is going to change to hidden, and then it's going to be invisible. Okay? So let's go ahead and remove these for now. And we'll save this. Now let's talk about that little checkbox that we said we were going to be getting back to. So we have this sign up for e-news callout bar that we have. So let's edit this. We can see that's got a title, it's got a category, it's showing up on the home page, and it's got a little bit of a blurb. But it doesn't have any buttons or links. But it does have a checkbox selected for the sign up for e-news. So this means if your website is using the email marketing module located right here to send out marketing emails, you can use this to gather email addresses and allow people to sign up for your emails. Now notice on the live site, we're currently showing the Join the Y Today callout bar. If we refresh this, we will have a chance of getting the sign up for e-news callout bar. And so since there's two items in here that are currently set for the home page, we have a 50-50 chance of loading the sign up for e-news form. So this may take a second here for us to, there it goes. So as you can see, I went through and clicked on refresh a few times to try and get this one. So as you can see, it's just a random load. So you get a 50-50 chance since it's two items in here that are currently listed for home. However, if you had, for example, a third item listed under the home category, then you'd have a 33% chance of getting each one of these. And then in the same way, if you had 4 for home, then you'd have a 25% chance of loading each one. Okay? So this would allow your users to give their email address and subscribe to your email marketing module. Alright. So that about wraps this up. Thanks for watching.